Good morning, guys. Nothing fancy this morning. I'm just gonna be making some oatmeal. Baby's not feeling too well, so just making some traditional oatmeal. And we have our condensed milk. And I have my water here. I'm gonna put that on to boil, and then I'm just gonna add a little bit of salt, not too much, just a little bit of salt, and then I'm just gonna put that on over here, and I'm just gonna wait for that to boil. And then I'm gonna add my oatmeal. I'll see you guys in a little bit. I gotta mix this first with some water and let it sit for a little bit until the water is boiled. So I think this should be good enough for me and babe. Yeah. So I'm just gonna add some water, mix it, and let it sit for a little bit until my water is boiled. Guys, so now I'm gonna add my oatmeal that I had in the cup. Gonna let that boil for a little bit. I'm gonna have to put some more water in there. But I'm not gonna add it just yet. Guys, I'm gonna add a little bit of sugar for now. Only because we're gonna add the condensed milk and that's also sweet, so I wanna make it overly sweet. Okay, now we're adding our milk. Just gonna mix that a little bit. Okay guys, so this is the consistency that we like. And I'm just gonna finish sweetening it, and you could sweeten it to however you feel comfortable. So I'm almost finished. I can see the tears in your eyes. I know you're hurting. Okay guys, so this is the finished product, and we're just having it with Hawaiian roll. So I'm just gonna taste. Mm. Mm. Just the right amount of sweetness, not too sour. It's perfect. This is our breakfast this morning. If you want to see more detailed video of us cooking, comment down below and let us know.